Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video how to replace the battery on a 2011 Camry with the push button start, or any Toyota vehicle that takes this type of transponder. You just need either a flathead screwdriver, or you can use the key that came here. Just push here to release it. Just insert the key here, twist it, it'll separate your case. Transponder should just fall out here. Takes one CR1632 battery. Got to be real careful on this part not to damage anything. Just very gently turn it here, it'll fall out. To put everything back together, just insert the battery like so. Gently snap in to put everything back together. And you're done. Thanks for watching.